Y'all see what's going on, gang. Y'all see we got the springs off there, our lower control arms, and our sway bar. I got the rear end all loose. She ought to slide right from under there. Let's see what's happening. Y'all know they call me the Mr. Getter. Huh? Y'all knew the whole time we had to get him out of there. He go right there, Jim. Time to come outside. Whoa. Got him. Got the whole setup off of there. So next we're gonna be pulling them axles out, upgrading the brakes, upgrading the suspension, doing a little painting, just getting them right, guys. So appreciate that love, support. Y'all stay tuned. A lot of smoke coming, gang. It's the random. Let's get it. I had just changed the seal, so take it easy to where it doesn't break up. Crucial, we was able to keep the whole seal on our cover. Y'all see that? Y'all see it, guys. There she go. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take out this here keeper right here. See that pin? Pull him out of there. See that? Now once you got him out, we're gonna take this here, our bar out. That lock screw, that set screw holding in. We're gonna take him out of there. He's right here. So we got our bar out, set him to the side with our lock screw. Now you wanna turn to your opening. Now I got my hand on this here axle, my left hand. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push my axle in. You see that? My axle is in. You see that clip down there? That clip will fall out. Now I'm gonna push this other axle in. Okay? Both of our axles are pushed in. Now I'm gonna rotate my housing. And those clips ought to fall out. Okay, y'all heard that? I heard one of them fall. Yeah, I think I heard him fail. All right, gang. We got both our all right, guys. All right, y'all. So we got both of our clips out of our axles. So next, we gotta pull our axles out of here. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to pull them axles out? Let's get it. There they go. Show y'all how to get them C-clips out of that baby. So y'all see it, gang. These here bolts, we just got everything soaking with some penetrate oil. Those nuts are real hard to get off of there. And our screws also broke off our rear end trying to get that backing plate off of there. So we're gonna have to drill those out. Probably drill a tap or just go straight nut and washer. And we'll see how that go. Gang. Put a little bit of him on Jim. There we go. Come on, just break free. Don't twist the whole line. I don't want you to break you now. And here gonna wind up breaking. Let me break him loose right here. Break him loose right here. Okay, crucial. Coming loose easy. Cause I need the small line. I need the small one. He's still spinning. He's still spinning. He tough, y'all. What's going on, YouTube? Y'all see here that we didn't cut one side of our rear end housing to be able to clear for our back plate. And y'all can see it goes right on. Now I'll adjust it to be at this top side of the rear end. And you can take a look on the back. See that? So I'll just have to mock it up and drill those holes where they need to be drilled. On that side, we still have to cut this here triangle brace off, and it's the indentions that we cut along right here. Y'all can see them. You see right there? So we cut a straight cut right there. See the bottom one? We cut an angle cut right here. So I'm gonna show y'all how we do it. Cut this side, and then next we're gonna mock up our holes so we can get this housing drilled out. Alright guys, so I got my light on our housing. Y'all see the indentions that I was talking about? You got one right there and one right there. You just want to cut along those lines. So let's chop him off of there. Alright gang, let's check him out. Y'all see our bracket, the holes. This is how we're gonna be. See it. Yep, we cleared. Cleared good. So now I just gotta mock up my holes and get them drilled out. YouTube, y'all see us, baby. We got one side mounted up. We was able to get 3 bolts. Y'all see that? Pretty solid. Got our back plate mounted. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mount this here driver side. Get the rear end cleaned up, axle put back in, painted up. We're gonna do the damn thing, baby. Damn thing. Alright, YouTube, y'all see, we got our backing plate on for our disc brakes. We was able to get 3 bolts. That's the same amount that they came with the older brackets as well. So we just went nut, lock washer, and washer. Y'all see it, guys. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and install my bolts on my axles, which will be a separate video for you guys. So appreciate y'all for stopping by. Have a good one. It's the Random. Alright, gang, y'all see what's going on, baby. Package time. I think there's some package time.
I can check it out, Look at it right there. What place is that? Yeah, so go ahead and knock this shit off. I'm about $1 though, nigga.
I told you what I got. We came at 12 o'clock, nigga.
Sounded just like you.
I got it, motherfucker.
Now I'm about to get up and shit it, nigga.
I got it.
Are you feeling it yet? Let's keep pushing for 5.
But they sure ain't give me that ratchet. That bitch gonna charge me for that.
Clip off that bike.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amazing